reaction. How many types of nucleophilic substitution are there? Two types, SN1 and SN2. So today we talk about the mechanism of SN1 and SN2. What will happen in case of SN1 reaction? In the first step, formation of carbocation takes place. Formation of carbocation takes place. Okay, and that is the rate determining step. This is my alkyl halide. This carbon halogen bond will break to form carbocation, right? And this is the slowest step. The slowest step is called rate determining step. Now suppose you have 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alkyl halide. So which one will react faster? Obviously 3 degree alkyl halide will react faster in SN1 reaction. Why? Because 3 degree carbocations are much more stable than 2 degree and 1 degree carbocation. Right? Another type of nucleophilic substitution is SN2 reaction. What happens in case of SN2 reaction? Backside attack of nucleophile takes place. Okay? In case of SN1, you will find racemic mixture. Racemization of the compound takes place here. That is called racemization. That means 50% inversion and 50% retention of configuration takes place. If suppose the carbocation is planar in nature, so the nucleophile can attack from above the plane as well as from below the plane. If it attacks from above the plane, it will generate R configuration suppose, and if it attacks from below the plane, it will generate S configuration. So 50% R